Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a private Bitcoin wallet on your computer, which means you don't need to send any information to any website about yourself. So you don't need to send your passport or confirm that you are a legit person and so on. You can use a private Bitcoin wallet, which you can install on your computer and have it there, and it will work as usual like Coinbase or any other wallet. You can accept Bitcoin, you can send, you can accept, and so on, and you can also view all your transactions. So for this we are going to use Electrum Bitcoin wallet. You can find it on electrum.org, and it is very safe to use. You can see that your private keys are encrypted and never leave your computer. With private keys you can basically access anyone's Bitcoin wallet, so it means safe, so it doesn't share with anyone. Then you also get a forgiving, so you can basically recover your funds by using a secret phrase. Electron wallet is also very fast. It connects to the Bitcoin blockchains really fast, and you can see all the transactions like instantly. You can export your private keys and use any other Bitcoin wallet. So basically, if you open a Electrum Bitcoin wallet, you can continue using it on Coinbase, for example. There are of course no downtimes. It never can go offline, and so on and so on. So if you are interested in any more information, you can find on this website. You can click documentation and you can go see the official documentation. It explains everything about that. So we're going to start. So first click download Electrum. Then you can choose the platform that you want to use for. So if you want to use for Linux, you can download for Linux, Windows, and Mac and Android. So I'm going to use, because I have Windows, I'm going to use Windows. So you can choose the Windows installer. The download will start, just open it. Okay, click yes. And there you can select the destination folder and click install. I already have it, so I'm going to close it. You can continue with installing it. Okay, and when you open it, you will see this window. So now we need to create a new wallet. So just write the name of it. You can write anything. So I'm going to choose a tutorial wallet like this. And I'm going to click next. Okay, and then you can choose what kind of wallet do you want to create. You can create a standard wallet with two-factor authentication, a multi-signature wallet. So I'm going to choose the standard wallet, nothing special. You can choose for two-factor authentication. This will be more secure. If anyone can access your computer, they will need the second authentication to open this wallet. Okay, so I'm going to click next. Then you can create a new seed, or you can restore a existing seed. So if you already have a Bitcoin wallet, then you can restore it. But if you don't, then you can create a new one. So you can also use a hardware device. So for example, like a leather wallet. So I'm going to click create a new seed. Okay, and then we get a generated seed. I'm going to create a new text document. I will write seed. You can name it however you want, and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to save it. Okay, that's fine. You can also have some options. You can extend this seed with a custom words if you want, but it's not needed. Okay, so next step is click next. And now you need to confirm it. So you can't do Ctrl V. You need to write them out. So I'm going to write them again. It's for security reasons that you have everything correct. So I'm going to write them out. You can see it also has the auto completion. You can auto complete with clicking the tab and like this. Okay, and click next. Everything works fine. You can create now a password. So let's create something like you can write any password you want, of course. I'm going to use very easy one. Click next, and then this window will open. So you have a history where all your transactions will appear. You have a send tab. You can send the bitcoins to someone by entering here the bitcoin address, the amount. It will also show in euros. So one bitcoin now is 39,000. And you can click pay. You can also add the description. It's for you only. Then you can receive. You can write the description for what you want to receive. It's optional. You don't need to. You can also put a amount, how much you want to receive, and when it expires. If you don't want to use any of this, just create new address without anything, and it will also create the address. And this is your Bitcoin address. You can have also the QR code to send to. If you are lazy to copy it and send it, you can send the QR code. Maybe it's faster for someone. And yeah, that was the most important things. Then you have some extra options. You can save the wallet entirely, like you can make a backup of it, and you can access it on any other device by just installing Electrum again and entering the wallet password. That's it. You don't need the seed or anything. So I really recommend to save the backup. Then you have some more information. If you hover over wallet and go off information, you will get your master public key. It's your xpub key. So with this one, you can use for any third-party applications. For if you want to get the Bitcoin addresses for your website or something like this. So it's not important. So leave it like that. You can enter your password and see your seed, private keys, addresses, and so on. You can show or hide some channel, these tabs. You can show them or you can hide them, so it depends on you. And you can see some tools and so on. So that was it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And once again, thanks for watching, and bye bye.